Hi, welcome back to Veganized by Veli. Today I'll be showing you how to make a vegan mofongo and stewed salami recipe that will absolutely slap. To make the stewed salami, here are the ingredients you'll need: red, green, orange peppers, sliced onions, chopped onions, garlic, olives, tomato paste, cilantro, salt, black pepper, and the unmatched Dominican oregano. You'll also need Lightlife Smart Dogs and a little bit of oil. For the mofongo, you'll need 4 green plantains, although they show as yellow, but they were green, salt, vegan butter, garlic, and olive oil. Before I start frying the plantains, I actually mash my garlic and salt in a mortar and pestle. Once your guns are hurting, you can stop the mashing process, and I will put this aside in a small container, which I'll use for later on in the recipe. In order to have the stewed salami come to fruition, the first step is to slightly brown the dogs. This will take a few minutes. Now that they look perfectly golden, I'm going to set them aside and I'll come back to them in just a little bit. To the same skillet, you're going to add a little bit of olive oil, the chopped onions, garlic, tomato paste, oregano, black pepper, and salt. And you're going to mix and just let this sweat for a few minutes. The olives and sliced onions will now join the party. While the veggies are cooking down, you don't want them to burn, so from this point forward, add a little bit of water whenever you feel you need it. Once the onions have wilted a bit, I add the peppers in, and the reason I add the peppers after the onions is because I want the onions to cook more than the peppers. I like my peppers on the crunchy side. I also wanted to get rid of the raw onion taste. Once the veggies have cooked down more and the mixture has reduced, I add the Smart Dogs in at the very last minute. Add the chopped cilantro. Cover and set aside. To make the mofongo, you'll need to peel your plantains, slice them into rounds, and you're going to fry each side of each round until it's golden brown. Once you see that the bottom side of each round is golden brown, go ahead and flip it. You're going to repeat this frying and mashing process in order to make your mofongos. Please be careful, the oil is very hot. The reason I was doing this next to the oil is because I didn't have a lot of space. And of course I was filming the video, so please don't do this at home. Once the rounds are fried, you're going to put 2 to 3 at a time into the mortar with a little bit of the garlic and salt mixture that we made earlier and a little bit of the vegan butter, and you're going to mash it. You'll notice that as I'm making each mofongo, I'm also continuing to fry more plátanos, and the reason I'm doing this is because you kind of have to do it quickly and you have to mash the plátanos while they're hot, otherwise they won't be malleable. Continue adding 2 to 3 rounds with a little bit of garlic and salt and a little bit of butter until the mortar is full almost to the top and you have one mofongo shaped. Use the knife to dig into the edges and the surface of the mofongo so that it's easier to take it out once you turn it upside down on the plate. Okay, success. Here's the mofongo and I'm serving it, though sloppily. I should have been more careful, but I was too hungry. I served it with the stewed salami from earlier. And that is it. That is the vegan mofongo with the stewed salami. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.